Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a clean and eye-catching ring border around your profile picture using Canva. This effect is perfect for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Discord, or really any social media platform where you want your profile photo to stand out a little more. By the end of this video, you'll have a polished profile picture with a custom circular border, and you'll also learn a few Canva tricks you can use in future designs. Let's jump right in. First, head over to Canva and sign into your account. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, it's very beginner-friendly and works right in your browser or mobile app. Once you're on the homepage, click the Create a Design button near the top right corner. For this tutorial, search for Facebook cover. Now, even though we're making a profile picture, this larger canvas gives us extra room to work comfortably while designing the border effect. Once the editor opens, you can either start with a blank layout or choose a simple template with a neutral background. If the template feels too busy, you can always delete extra elements later. The main focus here is your profile photo and the circular border around it. Next, let's upload your image. Go to the Uploads tab on the left side and upload the photo you want to use. Try to choose a clear, high-quality image where your face is easy to see. Once the image uploads, drag it into your workspace. Now we need to crop it into a circle. Head over to Elements and search for Circle Frame. You'll see several frame options appear. Choose the simple circular frame and place it onto your canvas. Then drag your uploaded photo directly into the frame. Canva automatically snaps the image into a perfect circle, which is exactly what we want for a profile picture. If the positioning looks off, double-click the image and adjust it until your face is centered nicely inside the frame. Take your time here because good positioning makes a huge difference in the final result. Now for the fun part, creating the ring border. Go back to the Elements section and search for terms like circle outline, ring, or circle border. You'll see lots of different styles appear. Pick a border style you like and place it over your circular profile picture. Resize it carefully so it sits evenly around the edge of the photo. This instantly creates that modern social media ring effect. You can customize the border color to match your brand, favorite color, or aesthetic. Bold colors help the image pop, while softer tones can create a cleaner and more minimal look. You can even add subtle background color or gradient behind the profile picture to make the border stand out even more. If your elements aren't perfectly lined up, use Canva's alignment guides or zoom in slightly for more precise placement. Small adjustments really help the design feel polished and professional. Once everything looks the way you want, click the Share button in the top right corner and choose Download. PNG is usually the best format for profile pictures because it keeps the quality sharp. If you want a transparent background, you can enable the Transparent Background option if it's available on your Canva plan. After downloading, your new profile picture is ready to upload to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Discord, or anywhere else you want to stand out. And that's it. You've successfully created a stylish circular border around your profile picture using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below with what style of profile picture you want to create next, and subscribe for more easy Canva tutorials and creative design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.